Hey guys, welcome back to Superhero Kid Play. I'm the Toy Commander, and this is my sidekick.
Kid Toy.
That's right, Kid Toy. Today we're playing with Dinosaurs. What dinosaur is that?
Brachiosaurus.
What's that dinosaur?
Brachiosaurus.
What's the other one?
T-Rex.
Show me T-Rex. He's scary.
And I have another one.
And no T-Rex?
Oh, he dropped his stick. There it is.
Oh, he's really scary.
He's sticking his mouth.
You sleeping?
Yeah. Who's gonna win, Stegosaurus or T-Rex? I say the Stegosaurus. Raptor, Mr. Raptor. This is a Pachycephalosaurus. This is a Brachiosaurus. This is a T-Rex. This is a pterodactyl. And this is a triceratops.
Which one's your favorite?
My favorite is probably the pterodactyl
Why is that?
because he can fly.
Yeah, he's pretty cool. He flies, right?
Yeah, and he pecks stuff like this.
He's like a giant bird.
Yeah, and he pecks stuff like
This is my favorite. T-Rex. T-Rex.
And my second favorite.
Feed me. Feed me.
Here.
Feed me. Nom, 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 nom.
And then my second favorite is a triceratops skull.
Yeah?
Ruffy
He needs to eat something. Look, he's all skin and bones. He needs to eat some food. He's too skinny. Look, he's all bones.
Yeah,
No?
he does.
He's all bones, yeah.
Like he can't eat.
Can't
He's
eat.
just
He's
a
still.
muscle. Because we don't exist anymore. So. That's where they are right now.
Oh, okay.
Right
Very
there.
cool.
Very like this. And some. I have a mission to capture a Triceratops. Let's go find the Triceratops. Okay, what? We gotta get out of here. Okay, we're here. Let's get out of the car. Lower the gate. Okay, sprinkle a few. Press the ditch. Okay, hop back in. Now bring it back to my place. I don't remember what it's called. I don't know what it's called. Okay, here, buddy. Okay. Now I have a mission to capture a T-Rex. Okay, now let's hop back in the car. And this is a car right there. Okay.
We gotta get out of here!
That's wrong. Watch out from the dinosaurs. Okay, he's eating his food. Now I'm gonna sprinkle food. Now I have a mission to capture a Pachycephalosaurus. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, yes, we want to. Okay, ready. Listen. Okay.
We gotta get out of here!
Found your potato.
What happened to Dinosaur?
Is he gonna escape? What do you think? Think he'll escape?
Yeah, I mean.
Hope he escapes. Oh no, look at that. Look at that. What will he do? How will he get out? Did you make it out? Oh, he made it out, I think. Did he make it out? Oh. Tell him jump back in the car and take off fast as you can. You can do it. Go.
Well, that was a close car. I barely made it.
That was pretty close. Barely made it. But at least you got his dinosaurs you wanted to get, right?
Yeah.
Good job, Explorer.
And just the T-Rex ran away.
That's good.
But I still have these two. Look out below!
Oh no.
I'm crashed! Now I'm gonna go even. Now I'm gonna drive up even higher. Go! Go me! Go me! Go me! Go me! Go me! Go me! Cannonball! That one's cannonball. Look. That was not cannonball, Dinosaur. You have to do better than that. That was not cannonball. Cannonball is driving down. That was not a cannonball. Okay, you guys, sleeping. Not cannonball. Cannonball! That was cannonball now. That was kind of cannonball. It can't control itself. Cannonball! Oh, that was not cannonball. Uh-oh, my truck's falling! I mean, I'm not that dirty, but I can't sit down. Oh, like inside though. But when we get inside, we can change. It's fun. Now I'm gonna drive this thing, and with that drive, okay, Dad? I'm driving the fast. Oh, and I have a good idea. You're really gonna like it. How'd you try Triceratops? You didn't fall. You have a magic dino that I captured. Cannonball! That was extra good. Cannonball! Okay, ready, set, go! And then, oh, I gotta get my dinos and dinos. Get ready for this. I'm gonna climb it. Okay, Dom? Get ready! I knew you weren't ready for that. Guys? You weren't ready for that. Why did you do that? No. So, watch this. What? What in the world? How did you do that? As the cable I drive and turned around and flipped over too, like that.
Hope you like our video.
And make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Bye, guys.
And don't forget to subscribe, right?
And don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.
Superhero pose. Let's go. Let's see a superhero pose. Show me a superhero pose. One more. Nice. All right.
And I'm the rabbit Triceratops.
Triceratops,
Bye.
right? So Triceratops, say bye.